Hey, CalmCool, every time I try to watch an ad on Twitch for free bits, it says try again later. Yo, CalmCool, for some reason it doesn't let me watch the ads on Twitch, and I really want to get some free bits. CalmCool, I don't live in the US, but I really want some free bits. Does a VPN work? Hey, CalmCool, the watch ad button does not appear for me. I have no choice of watching an ad. I really want some free bits. Can't get free bits by watching ads on Twitch? Don't worry, I got you covered. I found a new fix that you can use so that you can watch ads on Twitch to get free bits. Before we get into the video, smash like, smash subscribe.
This is how we do it when the vocals turn the rhyme and the beats start to collide and it starts to intertwine. Now it's sounding great. It's sounding great. It's sounding great. It's sounding great.
What's going on, all you CalmCoolSavages? I'm your host Wesley, aka the Bit God, and you're watching CCS TV. So if you're having trouble getting free bits by watching ads on Twitch or by completing surveys on TwitchRpg, well, this is a Twitch cheer update. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get free bits by watching ads on Twitch or by doing surveys on TwitchRpg. Recently, I was streaming and a viewer came to my stream and he was thanking me for one of my how to get free bits tutorials on YouTube. I was really glad that he was able to get some free bits, and then I started talking to him, telling him that I don't know why some people in the US can get free bits and I don't know why some don't. He then told me all he had to do was verify his email on Twitch, and then he was able to watch ads to get free bits. If you live in the USA and you're having trouble watching ads to get free bits, you must verify your Twitch email. I've also heard that some people say that sometimes a VPN works and sometimes it doesn't, but maybe for the ones who it doesn't work for, they haven't verified their Twitch email yet. So go ahead and try verifying your Twitch email, then using a VPN, and let me know in the comments down below if that worked for you guys. Also, watching ads on mobile does not work. To get free bits, it must be on PC only. And if you go to watch an ad to get some free bits and it says try again later, try early in the morning or late at night, because there's a certain amount of bits that Twitch can give out within a day, so it's almost like first come first serve. So for those of you who are saying that you're not getting surveys on TwitchRpg because it's shut down, this is false. Just last week on November 19th, I received an email from TwitchRpg for 100 bits. This is proof that TwitchRpg is still sending out surveys. So if you're not getting surveys, make sure that your email with Twitch is verified. And that's the new update on how to get free bits on Twitch. Just verify your email and let me know in the comments if that worked for you guys. If you want to know all the ways on how to get free bits by watching ads or doing surveys, check out the playlist above. And you guys, I stream over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. It would be awesome if you guys came over to the stream, dropped a follow. I would love to see you there. Once again, I hope you guys were able to get some free bits by watching ads on Twitch or by doing surveys on TwitchRpg so that you can support your favorite streamer. If this video was helpful to you in any way, hit up the like button. If you like the content on the channel, punch out the sub button. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage. BitGod out.